Hi folks, I'm Jordan, your local Fraser Valley Realtor, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to 45331 Mcintosh Drive here in a quiet neighborhood of Chilliwack. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a self-contained 1-bedroom suite. It's had lots of updates over the years, including new paint, lighting, and a large deck off the back of the home overlooking your large backyard. I'm thrilled to share this home with you. How about you head inside and take a look. The backyard features a stepped retaining wall, but many of the neighbors have completely flattened that out, significantly increasing the space. Wasn't that such a lovely home? You know, it's almost impossible to find a detached home in this price point, let alone one with a basement suite. So this one's gonna go pretty fast. And what's great is that basement suite also has a separate hot water tank and its own sub panel, meaning you're never having fights with the upstairs or downstairs folks. It's also excellently located. We're within walking distance of all levels of schools, including A.D. Rundle Middle School, which is right around the corner. You've got easy access to downtown Chilliwack, including the historic 1881, meaning you can hit the breweries or the cafes, and you're on the freeway in less than 5 minutes. Folks, it's a lovely home. I'm thrilled to share it with you. I'm Jordan, and if you have any questions or would like to book your private showing, give me a call. Thanks.